Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your alternator. First, gather all necessary tools like a socket set, wrenches, and a new serpentine belt. Always ensure your new alternator matches your vehicle's specifications. For safety, always disconnect the negative battery terminal before starting any work. This prevents accidental electrical shorts and ensures a safe working environment. Next, you'll need to locate your alternator, which is typically found on the side of the engine. You might need to remove some components, such as air intake ducts or covers, to gain clear access. Once visible, use a serpentine belt tool to release the tension on the belt, allowing you to carefully remove it from the alternator pulley. With the belt off, it's time to disconnect the old alternator. First, carefully unclip and remove all electrical connections, including the main power wire and any smaller sensor wires. Then, use your socket set to unbolt the alternator from its mounting brackets. There are usually 2 or 3 bolts. Once free, carefully maneuver the old unit out of the engine bay. Now, position your new alternator into place and secure it with the mounting bolts, tightening them firmly. Reconnect all electrical wiring, ensuring each connection is snug and correct. Carefully route and reinstall the serpentine belt, then use your tensioner tool to apply the correct tension. Finally, reconnect the negative battery terminal and start your engine to test the new alternator.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.